Now in their fourth weekend of release, Barbie and Oppenheimer have continued to dominate the box office worldwide. The two movies crossed the 1 billion and 500 million mark, respectively, last weekend, and they haven't slowed down yet. Barbie has now added another couple of records for Greta Gerwig, while Oppenheimer is now one of the biggest R-rated movies ever. So did these two movies just save AMC? Yes, but no. Let's get into this article. It's coming from Investor's Place. It is titled AMC Stock Alert. AMC just reported its first profit since 2019. For the first time in years, AMC Entertainment has reported a quarterly profit. This came as a surprise to many, as AMC stock has been highly volatile over the past 6 months. Nevertheless, the struggling theater chain just surpassed Wall Street expectations, reporting a noteworthy increase in attendance and seeing spending per guest finally exceeding levels prior to the pandemic. AMC actually seems to be making progress, and the market is reacting well. The company saw revenue increase by 16% to 1.34 billion, and attendance rise by more than 12%. Meanwhile, net income came in at 8.6 million, well above the net loss of 122 million seen in the second quarter of 2022. The past month alone has driven many people to the movie theaters with the dual release of two blocks of films between Barbie and Oppenheimer. Demand for cinema tickets has spiked. CNN reports that the recent heat wave has also helped drive consumers toward indoor activities, thereby boosting ticket sales as well. Here's what the CEO of AMC had to say. In only 3 weeks for Barbenheimer, the results so far should take your breath away. Barbie has crossed 1 billion in theater ticket sales worldwide. Oppenheimer crossed $500 million. The movie theaters are dead. Prognosticators are ducking wrong. Quack, quack. But investors should remember that at its core, AMC is still a meme stock powered mostly by retail investors. On top of that, the possibility of bankruptcy continues to loom, even in the wake of positive earnings. Nevertheless, AMC remains in this danger state, this danger zone, as you got the Wall Street bets and the Reddit community will still rally around the shares if necessary. So let's go to the charts, and we're going to start with the monthly chart, and we see the big, huge levels. We have monthly buyers at the $2 level. We also have a support area down at the $4 level, and up top from current price, we have support resistance at the $8 level, and price is still hovering below the 13 simple monthly moving average. Now, when we go down to the weekly chart, we can see that level, the support, and the resistance a bit better. You can see that level was support, 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 resistance, resistance, resistance. Now, I must have analyzed AMC maybe several weeks ago or several months ago. Let's see, probably back in June, because I predicted that it would bounce off this $4 level. Now, I do see some near-term resistance, so we're going to put a line at the $6 mark. And we can leave it in orange, that's fine. You have support, resistance, 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 resistance. Now let's go down to the daily chart. And here was what I was projecting price would do. Bounce into this band at the support at $4 and then bounce higher. You can see on the last occasion it bounced higher on high volume. Again, bounced higher on high volume. So this is a level that the buyers are defending quite handily. And if price was to come back down, it's worth taking another stab to go long. However, price is sitting between that $6 resistance and that $4 band, meaning it's right in the middle, meaning it's going to be choppy, meaning there is no imbalance between buyers and sellers, meaning you should be careful. Should be careful. Nevertheless, it is respecting this short-term uptrend line on the daily chart. If we can get closes above the 200-day moving average and stay above that 200-day moving average, that would be short-term bullishness for the bulls. Nevertheless, upside is limited. Even if you cross over the $6 mark, your next level of resistance is going to come in at $8. So the risk to reward ratio is not ideal. However, look out for Wall Street bets and the Reddit as they lurk in the corner and can cause price to spike like they did a couple of years ago. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.